everyone, and welcome to WP Chats, a channel talking about all things WordPress. In this video series, we'll cover a range of beginning, intermediate, and advanced WordPress concepts, with step-by-step tutorials, along with general website best practices and advice. Topics that we'll chat about in this channel will cover basic items like how to log into your WordPress website and how to navigate the WordPress dashboard, including exploring posts, pages, specific must-use plugins, themes, and how to easily customize your site to fit your brand with CSS. Learn how to get your website ranked in Google. I'll make recommendations on best SEO practices to implement to your website for better placement in Google search results. We will also make recommendations on hosting your website and getting more in depth with techie tutorials, including how to move a WordPress website from one server to another. Whether you're a non-techie business owner, website blogger, or content creator, there will be something here for you. Thanks for watching this channel. I hope you subscribe, learn, and enjoy.